Finally did it. That was the hardest thing I've ever had to do in DIY. It's just drying off now.
2 hours earlier.
Who needs a recycling bin when you got a dad like this? Just attaching the feedings, getting the downstairs prepped for plastering. So I've got my dad doing that right now. Good. Snap. There we go. Just gonna get one of these little file things, just to make sure it's nice and smooth on the edges. So it'll bond better to plaster if it goes on it and whatnot. Just nicer. And then the same thing on this side. Also straightens it out too, look. Lined up. Let's get it back here, just to hold it in place. The other one down here. Done. Gotta do the other ones now. Made a little workbench. Yeah, press down and press on the button. Great stuff. Who needs a recycling bin when you got a dad like this? Very difficult to record at the same time, but here we go. We'd have to wait for time to go. Just take those lines out then. Finally did it. That was the hardest thing I've ever had to do in DIY. It's just drying off now. Let's get that pine there. Oops. Yep, let's do that wide angle view. Those marks, they're not imperfection necessarily, they're just little parts that are drying off, and some things do different type of things as it's drying. Amazing.